Meta has just released their AI app. They said introducing the Meta AI app, the new way to access your AI assistant. So their AI assistant was already a part of a lot of different apps that they already created or platforms. So it was already a part of Facebook. It was already a part of Instagram, WhatsApp, so on and so forth. So they have now a standalone Meta app, and it's built with Llama 4. And if you've seen the benchmarks for Llama 4, it's pretty much head to head with the Gemini 2.4, Gemini 2.5 Pro, as well as the latest ChatGPT models. They have like the O3, ChatGPT 4.1, Mini and Nano. And so it's supposed to be in the realm of that, and they're hinting that something later on could come better. They said this is their first step towards a personal AI. People around the world use Meta AI daily across WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and Messenger. And they say now people can choose to experience a personal AI design around voice conversation with Meta AI inside a standalone app. So basically, it's built to be in tandem with their Ray-Ban glasses. So one of the features of the app is that when you're using the Ray-Ban glasses, you can talk to the Llama 4 that's already inside the glasses, and then you can pick up the conversation using the app. So if you took off the glasses and you just want to pick up where you left off, you can now with the app now, which is pretty cool. They said they were really trying to personalize a lot of these features to make it more about you. So what they've done was, well, they're enabled it to gather information from the other platforms. So if you have information about you on Facebook or Instagram, they can pull that information in so it can know more about you, so it can be more of a personal assistant, right? They said that Meta AI uses Llama 4 to help you solve problems, navigate your daily questions, and better understand the world around you. With the ability to search across the web, it can help you get recommendations, deep dive on a topic, and stay connected with your friends and family. Or if you're looking to play around with it, we provide conversation starters to inspire your search, which is pretty interesting. They also have this integrated with their image generator, so you can actually create images and edit images using this app, all with your voice, so you don't even have to type it out. They said that we're using our decades of work personalizing people's experience on the platforms to make Meta AI more personal. You can tell Meta AI to remember certain things about you, like that you love to travel and learn new languages, and it can also pick up on important details based on context. Your Meta AI assistant also delivers more relevant answers to your questions by drawing on information you already chose to share to the Meta products, like your profile and content you like or engaged with. Personalized responses are available today in the US and Canada. And if you added your Facebook and Instagram account to the same account center, Meta AI can draw from both to provide an even stronger personalized experience for you, which is interesting. I think that is kind of cool. If you want a personal assistant, more like a personal assistant that's almost like family. If you had like a cousin or something that was your personal assistant that not only can answer your questions, but they know you personally, like a family member that's close to you. They also said that glasses have emerged as the most exciting new hardware category of the AI era, and Ray-Ban Meta glasses have led the way in defining what's possible. They said that you'll be able to start a conversation on your AI glasses and then be able to switch right over on the AI app, so you can pick up wherever you just left off. And so you can chat between the app and the web bidirectionally, but it doesn't work in reverse. So you can start on your glasses and go to the app or the web to continue the conversation, but you can't do that in reverse. You can't start on the app or the website and it won't work on the glasses like that, right? You have to start from the glasses, which kind of makes sense. And why would they want you to just be able to do that? They want you to be using their product. Makes sense. But not only that, they're also updating the web app that they have with voice interactions and things that you can do there. I think this is a pretty good step forward in that direction by having a standalone app, because we see that Gemini has its own standalone app, ChatGPT has its own standalone app, Perplexity, Claude, just everybody, ChatGPT, everybody has their own standalone app. So having Llama have its own standalone app makes sense as well. But I think what's also interesting about a lot of these apps are that they're getting longer context and history about you to answer questions in the future. I can see that as being very helpful. But I think when it's attached to your social media posts and information you may have about you, I'm not sure if I'm going to be using llama per se, just because my Facebook dates back to childhood. It's that old. And I'm not sure if I want AI to have that much information about me. It already does, but I don't want it to link to what I'm trying to do now. As well as it says it's linking to posts that you like and interacted with. It's just a lot of social media stuff compacted into this AI, which is kind of scary to me. Like Gemini, if it looked at my YouTube viewing history, I don't really care. But my social media, who I interact with, the friend groups and stuff, I don't think anybody on YouTube who I subscribe to or who subscribe to me are necessarily like my friends or people I hang out with in real life. They're just like entertainers. It's like if people are getting information about me versus by my movie preferences and how often I go to the movies, right? That's still a little weird, but at the same time, it's very distant and detached from me, who I am personally. But since it seems like they're getting a lot of data from you, and who knows, maybe the Ray-Bans in the future may actually look up the current location, maybe using your GPS, as well as the visual camera in the headset, to then try to even get more information about you, people you've seen. Maybe you'll walk past somebody and they'll be like a friend request, or people you've seen today. Not people you may know, but people you have seen today just by tracking who you're looking at and doing image search on Facebook's profiles or images. I think the direction using Llama 4 has its own standalone platform is really cool. Being able to create images and actually talk to the AI is really cool, but it's getting a little creepy. But tell me what you think down in the comment section down below. Do you agree with me? As well as, if you want to keep up with the latest and greatest AI news, robotics news, quantum news, you should definitely like and subscribe. With that being said, your boy Dex, not Dexter.